Hello and welcome to Restoration ERP. Today I will show you how to add vendors to a company. First, find the company that you want to edit, then enter it, and then on the left side panel here you will find vendors. Of course, on mine you will see a few that we have already added, their addresses and everything like that. But you can also click on the right side, Create tab, and then fill out all the information. So we'll start with the name of the vendor, the email, the phone number, and then of course the website. Left is the address. Then you can also use this to organize the order that they appear to. I will leave that as it is and submit. Now my vendor is here and you can see all the information